Before I move to the next step, I hope you are keeping up with me so far in this demonstration video. In case there's any confusion, you can always rewind the video and can check the things, or else you can write to us anytime. So now moving on to the next step, which is how to communicate with the clients. So now, first thing, how to share the diet plan. For that, what we can do is there are certain options. One, that on the header, there is this second button, which is the link button. We click on it, it says that you have copied the link of the user's profile. So this user profile link you can share with the client via WhatsApp, and the client can open the link at their end and can see the diet plan. Or else you can click on this download button from the header, and this will download the PDF of the diet plan for the particular client in your desktop. You can share that PDF with the client through WhatsApp or the mail, and they can themselves check the diet plan. Now, what all features that the client profile usually have? So you as a dietitian should also be aware about. So for say this is Sneha's profile. I will click on this copy link button. I will copy it, open a new tab and paste the link there. Once I click on enter, this is how the profile looks like. First screen comes as a dietitian card, as in your information, who my dietitian is, your profile image, your background, your key skills, and certain features or the facility that you're providing to the client. By clicking on continue button, it takes you to the first screen of the client's profile. This is where the diet plan for the day is going to come for the client. And by clicking on the future dates, the client can see the future day's diet plan as well. Second screen, by clicking on this edit button in front of the client's name, we can see the profile of the client. So this is how the profile looks like and all the information that the client has filled at their end. Now, let me show you one by one what all options the client get. First, they can plan the grocery by looking the future day's diet plan. For say I want to plan grocery or I want to pre-plan anything a night before as in terms of the next day's diet plan. So I can click on the future day diet plan and can see if any pre-planning is required. If I want to plan the grocery, I can see the complete week's diet plan and accordingly I can plan the grocery. Next thing, if I want to check how much I have to eat and the portions. So I can scroll down and in front of every meal item planned, the portions are mentioned. Third thing, the recipe information. For say, if I want to plan Matar Paneer and I don't know the recipe, so I can click on this image of the Matar Paneer. It will give me certain detail or an overview of this option, as in what are the macros, the ingredient list it will give me, and the instructions, as in how I have to cook this particular recipe. And by clicking on this YouTube button, I can go to the YouTube link and the video will start. So I can see through the video how this recipe has been prepared. Fourth thing, that we can track the macros of the diet. As in whatever options I am eating in the diet plan, I can click on this log button and the recipe will get logged and the macros will start getting calculated in the profile. If in case I am say in midday meal I'm eating banana and flax seeds both. So instead of logging the item separately, I can just simply click on the log slot option and the whole meal will get logged. If in case this is a lunch and I have not eaten say salad and raita, I have only eaten chapati and sabzi, then I have to click the items individually to log them. So this is how your macros will get calculated for the day. And to remember that the client cannot log the future day's diet plan because they have not eaten those things so far. Next thing is Nutri-Score information, as in if this particular option that they're eating is healthy or not. How can they see is by checking the color codes that are given on top of the image of the particular item. So if it's a green vegetable juice, it says best choice. So as per the weight loss, this is the best choice. If I say medium banana, it's given the average choice considering the macros that it has. So this is how the client can understand if the particular item that they're eating is best, good, bad, average, etc. With this information, client can be on track and always suggest that for better results, for better health, always try to remain under green zone by eating more green items. Next thing that we have is this search bar, search for a food section. If we click on it, the client get a huge list of items that can be eaten at home. As in, these are certain home based items that we recommend, and it is usually planned under certain categories like healthy dessert, salad, meals, breads, rice, and etc. If a client is going out eating in certain restaurants, so we have a whole list of chain restaurants as well, which the client can see. And if they want to log into their meals, whatever they are eating from any restaurant, they can click on it. They can simply search and log it. If in case the client are eating anything from pantry, as in any basic grocery item, they can again choose it from here and they can log the information. Why this section is given? So that client can understand with the help of Nutri-Score if they're eating healthy or not. They can calculate their macros, and by calculating the macros, they can be on track. They can better understand how much amount of calories is still left to be eaten. So this information can help the client to eat healthy, to be under track, and to manage their diet at their end as well. Next, that you can see is there's certain options that the client has to communicate with you as a dietitian. One is this WhatsApp icon. By clicking on this WhatsApp icon, the client will automatically get the WhatsApp screen and they can message you directly. Second is by clicking on this calendar button. So by clicking on this calendar button, they can schedule the call with you on Calendly. So this is how the communication with the client becomes very easy. Always suggest the client to use these options as it is very handy and even the confusion can be avoided.